I love these sunglasses. I love this company. Check these out. So these are Jublos, and this is a brand new pair that Jublo replaced for me. After 3 years of wearing, normal wear and tear, the plastic pieces came off on here, and the nose piece came off, which I'm sure you could have crazy glued it back. I'm sure I could have crazy glued it back. And I saw Rich, the owner of Rock and Snow, out on the trails. And I said, Rich, those Jublos that I bought 3 years ago, the plastic pieces are falling off of them. And he goes, you know what, Marcus? Bring them back in. We'll send them back. I'm almost positive Jublo will fix those for you or send you a new pair. I said, they're 3 years old. I don't have a receipt. He goes, it doesn't matter. Now, I've had Oakleys. I've had Revos. Spent a lot of money on Revos once. And I tried to get some warranty stuff done on them and no, they're like, buy a new pair, we'll give you 10% off, Revo said. Oakley, I've had Oakleys for a long time. I've had Oakley since I was a kid. And never been able to get warranty work done after the fact of they're over a year old. For a year old, it's like, no, you can't do that. It's normal wear and tear, you can't do that. However, these Jublos, these were $180 and independent company. So 180 is nothing crazy because I spent more on my Revos. I think I spent $210 on my Revos. That that I will never buy a pair of Revos again, or Revo, however you say it. But this is a French company, Jublo, from the 1940s. Jublo, French company. I think 4 generations, family owned still. Awesome sunglasses. So these are their zebra lenses, and these are photochromic, and they're not polarized, but they're specifically for sports. And I was told that if I wear these out in the trails, which I do a lot of trail running, that'll actually separate the different rocks and the different textures for me of sort of the same color things, and it'll help my perception better in the forest, in the woods, on the trails. And I'm a huge trail runner, so I've loved these glasses, and I was so sad when this nose piece came off, because I managed without the rubber pieces there. That was no problem. No rubber pieces, no problem. But as soon as that nose piece came off, it wouldn't sit on my face properly. So, man, awesome. Great job, Jublo. Rock and Snow, New Paltz, New York. Awesome store. I try to get a lot of my outdoor gear there. I get my trail running shoes there. I get my road running shoes from Frank in Middletown, Frank Guiliano, the shoe fitter. I'm a huge fan of supporting independent local stores, and Rock and Snow has an awesome lineup of all smaller brands or not the largely. You're not going to walk into Rock and Snow and get like Under Armour or Nike. You're going to get some really awesome gear. Awesome gear. So check them out. They have an annex right next door too, where they have used stuff. They do cross-country skis, snowshoes. I've gotten 3 backpacks from there. They got awesome backpacks. I got a good running backpack. I got a great hiking backpack. And yeah, so Rock and Snow, New Paltz, New York. Huge shout out to Rich. And Jublo. Thank you very much, Jublo. I appreciate the new glasses, and I'm going to buy another pair of Jublos.